President Museveni ari kutongoza factory y'omwaneji eya Inspire Africa Group abandize no kubyara ekiti mwani nabwanyuma arambwire factory y'omwaneji okureba ebintu kubera kukorwa okuruga omwani
nza kongeraho emihiro n'umujimanya Paul Ketango oyongeraho emihiro nza kutandikira aha rero tusima abagoji aho kumenya abagoji iti mumwe afukanye n'akagojegera yabona.
President Museveni araganisa ko arikuza kongera kushagika factory y'omwaneji kandi yarabura nabo bona abatwire no bagirwanisa barukwe kwa senkoresa mbi ya sente
hati tumeyana shobora barukwetenga ntuja kurutunga byona bweno kweza factory zezi zikawera kimwe ne bakwetenga rero kandi bweno kutanga kugura omwanya kugubika.
Now this is a Ugandan-owned company. I've been hearing them say, why is government investing money in Tugume? Why not Tugume? He's a Ugandan. And Tugume started by walking the journey. Inspire Africa started by themselves. They got the personal initiative. He started marketing our coffee, buying, planting, doing value addition on his own.
President Museveni nagira ngo factory ejina kuhera mu kutungura emihendo y'omwana omwihanga hamwe na Africa yona okurwanisa ibura ry'emirimo hamwe na nokucendeza habworo
nebuja kugoba abo yetegereze nyowe owa Tugume kuna natunga milioni dola makumyana omukiro ningana n'itanu omukiro ekirikundi amakongera haberi yawe omuhingi nkakwina mura ukagera washika neki aho ese nyoni tugese nyinyi okorwa omukiro yawe lwana ino bahingi ekimaretera okugira mwaho abari kutunga amagobani bariya abandi.
Nelson Tugume mukama wa factory eji agambire President Museveni oku factory eji erikuza kutungura omutindo gw'omwana mu Uganda hamwe na Africa no baharabe haruho abari kugirwanisa.
I want to tell you, we are at a war. We are at a war. Some people think we are going for their lunch, so they would rather have us for lunch.
Ore chomechi chine kapasite yo kunyunyu utomwani omumuru kajaromu nako murutunga mubona chikagomara omurundu kum ngecho muchishamurunji nambwe na mwanya ituri twine cooperative society zona almost ezo mwigana yona zona zirya
yitaho mpinduka yo bwishanga kwaterwa mushana munonga mushana kwaba mwinji haza kumwanira ko nugungwenda bagwine amizi ningashi ahabwa weda kujya ngumase kwangejura mbwenu ntubera nangiriza abantu mbere kujya kumbase kurinda ibyo bahangwa
omwana nugurugamo ebintu byinji nkakawa amajita go kurya nago kwesiga yogati za biscuit hamwe n'ibindi binji kandi bimwe hari ebi factory yatandikire kubikora ahabwa TV West and Elias Rutugusa.